See, next point is, can I declare like this? Int a of 0. Yeah, tell me guys. Nikita,
Sir.
is it valid?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No. Why? See, first point, see, size of the array must be an unsigned integer which is greater than 0. Clear? This is error. We should not declare with the zero element. With the zero element, we cannot create array. This is we are declaring array. Int a of 5 means 5 elements are there. Here 5 elements are there. Here int a of 0, if you write int a of 0, there is no elements. Example, see, if I write, I will show you in the compiler also. If I execute, what will happen? See. Program execution starts from main. I want to declare array. I want to declare array, right? See, int a of 0. Can I declare int a of 0? See, if I declare int a of 0, what is the output? If I can you declare like this? Is it valid or not? See, compile once. One error array must have at least one element. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
This is error. We should not write like this. Okay, third one. Can I write int a of -3 or -5? This is also
Error.
error. Why? Because it's a positive number, right? Array size must be a positive number. Fourth one. Can I declare like this? Int a of 2 plus 3. 2 less than 3. First. Yeah, Ruhina, is it valid?
No, sir.
No. Okay. What is 2 less than 3 value, Ruhina?
1.
1. Then it takes 1, right?
Okay.
Then if you write like this, then it takes int a of 1. 1 means with one element we can create array. See here, can I write 2 less than 3? If I write 2 less than 3, this is valid. See, there is no errors, there is no warnings. This is valid. Okay, next one, fifth one. Can I write like this? Int a of 2 greater than 3. Now,
No, sir, because 0.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
then it take it a of 0, right? A of 0 means error it is. See, I will show you. Can I write 2 greater than 3? 2 less than 3 is valid. 2 greater than 3 is what? One error. Array must have at least one element. Clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next one. Can I write 2 plus 3? Sixth one. Int a of 2 plus 3. Is it valid? Yeah, Sai Kiran. Yes. Right? Is it valid or no? This is, it takes 2 plus 3 means it take it as a of 5, right? A of 5 means this is valid. We can declare like this. This is valid. Int a of 2 plus 3. If I write 2 plus 3, then it take it as a valid. There is no errors, there is no on it. Clear it is? Yeah, next one, seventh one. In here, int n equals to 5, can I write like this? Int a of n. Seventh one, guys, check it once.
Valid, sir.
Valid. Sai Kiran. Yes, okay. We check it. This is n. This is n. Can I take a int n equals to 5? See, compile now. One error. Constant expression required. Constant expression. Variable expressions are not allowed. Are you following? Constant expression required. It is showing error as constant. But what I declared here in the array, I declared as a variable expression. N is a variable. Variable expressions are not allowed. Variable expressions are not allowed. Only constant expression is required. Error is what? If I require here, constant expression required. Constant expression required. Right? We should not write a variables. We should not write variables inside array. That is error. Constant expression required error. Clear it is? Right? Now next one. Can I write a constant variables? Can I write a constant variables? Can I write constant int n equals to 5? Constant int n equals to 5 int a of n. What is constant variables, Nikita?
Whose values cannot be changed.
Yes. If I declare constant, see, n value cannot be modified. Is it valid or not? Check it. Okay. This is also error. We should not write variables. We should not write variables. This is also error. This is also error. Okay. Guys, remember in some compilers it accept this. GCC compiler accept this. Okay. In some compilers it accepts. But actually array concept is what? Array concept is what? At the time of compilation only we need to declare the array. At the time of compilation, we should not take a variables. We should not take a variables. Directly values you have to take. That is valid. Okay. Next, ninth one. Ninth one. See, can I declare as defined? As defined size. Size nothing but n I will take. N is a 5. Can I write int a of n? This is called macros. Okay, int a of n. Int a of n. Okay, Sai Kiran asking one doubt. Yeah, Sai Kiran. Sir, can I write 1 equals to 5? N equals to 5. Is it n equals to 5? What is your doubt, Sai Kiran? Can you type properly? Okay. As defined n equals to 5. This is called macros. Macros are valid or not? See, if I write a macro, as defined, you know this. As defined. As defined is called macros. Macros are nothing but a constants. N equals to 5. If I write like this, macros are allowed. Macros are allowed. No errors. See this. Clear? Macros are valid. Macros are allowed. Macros are nothing but a, this is macros. In array declaration, macros are allowed. Okay, in array declaration, macros are allowed. Macros are allowed. Okay, macros are nothing but a constants. Okay, macros are nothing but a constants. Constant values, right? Macros are nothing but a constant. We can write constants. Macros are allowed. Next one, 10th one. 10th declaration. What is the maximum size of integer array? What is the maximum size of integer array? Varalakshmi, can I declare int a of 1 lakh? 1000. Arvind, can I declare 1000? Is it valid? What is the maximum size?
I think it's valid, sir, because it's from 1 to 65,535.
Yes. Okay, it is a 1 to 65,535. I said size of the array must be an unsigned integer. That range is 1 to 65,535. Okay. Example, can I declare 40,000? If I declare 40,000, see Varalakshmi, this variable stored where? You are declaring array, right? You are declaring this array where these variables will be stored. Tell me which location these variables will be stored.
In the memory, sir.
What is that memory is called? Which memory it is? Yeah, Lohit. Yeah, variables stored in stack memory. Good. Variables stored in stack memory. You know what is stack size? Niharika CH. What is the stack size?
65 KB.
60, yeah, that is 0 to 65,535, right? How many bytes are available? How many bytes are available? 65,535 bytes are available in the stack memory. Are you following? Okay, for variables, maximum size is 65,535 bytes. Means if I declare 40,000, guys, listen. If I declare 40,000, each variable require how many bytes? 2 bytes. 40,000 into 2 bytes. 40,000 into 2 bytes means how many bytes required? 80,000 bytes are required. But what is the stack size? Stack size is 65,535 bytes only. That's why we should not declare 40,000. Understood? What is the maximum size of stack? What is the maximum size of integer array? See, stack size is 65,535 bytes, right? Stack size is 65,535 bytes. In array declaration, we declare 40,000. Okay. For this array, how many bytes are required? How many bytes are required for above declaration? In above declaration, we declare 40,000 variables. Okay. 40,000 variables. We require 80,000 bytes. We require 40,000 into 40,000 into 2 bytes. 80,000 bytes are required. 80,000 bytes are required. But what is the stack size? Stack size is 65,535. That's why it is error, right? See, once I will declare, can I declare int? See, now I want to declare. Now I am declaring int of 40,000. Can I declare like this or not? See here. Now I want to declare int of 40,000. Compile once. If I compile, it is showing error. Array size is too large. Okay, array size is too large. Okay, what is the maximum size of integer array? What is the maximum size of integer array is? This is the size, right? How many bytes are there? 65,535 by 2. This is the maximum size of integer array by 2. Are you following? Why? Because integer takes 2 bytes. Okay, what is the range? Int of how much it takes? 65,535 by 2. How much? 3, right? 3 2s are 6. 5. 5 means 2 2s are 767, right? This is the range, I think. By 2. This is the maximum size of integer array. Int of 32,767. I will check it. 30 maximum size of integer array is 32,767. Compare. Yeah, there is no any error. Once increase one value here, if I increase 8 up to 8, 32,768, then it is showing error. Array size is too large. Clear? Depends upon stack size. Depends upon stack size. That is depends. Okay, if anyone asked about what is the array size, maximum size of array size, that is depends upon stack size. Okay, if it is 32-bit compiler, that is different. We are talking about 16-bit compiler. This is 16-bit compiler. That's why it takes this range, 32,767. If it is 65,535, this is for 16 bits. If it is 32 bits, that range is different. Okay, this is what 2 power 15 by 2, that is nothing but a 2 power 15 by 5. If it is 16 bit, how it takes the sizes? If it is 16 bit, if it is 16 bit, range is how much? If it is 16 bit, and if it is 32 bit, if it is 32 bit, what is the range, right? If it is 16 bit, the range is 2 power 15 by 2. 2 power 15 by 2 is, this is the answer, 2 power 15 by 2. If it is 32-bit compiler, if it is 2 power 31 by 2, that is the maximum size of integer array. 4 year it takes. If it is 32-bit, 4 bytes. If it is 16-bit, it takes 2 bytes, right? Okay, if anyone asked about what is the maximum size of integer array or character array, that is depends upon stack size. Okay, understood, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Now